Power BI is a business intelligence application that is separate from Excel that you can download free of charge from the Microsoft website. It is used to data analysis, dashboard design and publishing of reports, and we will just have a look within this course on the mapping options that you can find within Power BI. About Power BI, I talked thoroughly on a separate course on Power BI desktop. In here we will just concentrate on maps, but still you will get to know how to get data and how to create charts. You can find the data in one training workbook, which is 4.1 to 4.5. We have there the sales data, and within the workbook you have also the explanation of the tasks that we don't need to load into Power BI. Our first exercise: create a field map for countries to show sales. Field map is one of the visuals that we can choose from Visualizations tab. On location, we will probably place country or any other field with the geographic role. And then we can place also sales on tooltip to see how much we sold in this particular country. To zoom in to the chart, we can go to view and set the actual size and increase a bit the size of the chart. At the moment, the sales is just represented by a tooltip, but still we can go to the format tab and go to the data colors, and we can apply conditional formatting that can change also the color of the countries on the map. We would like to use the color scale. Our measure will be sales. We would like to sum the sales, and the minimum and the maximum can remain the same. You cannot insert any labels in Power BI, but still you can hover over to see the tooltip and the exact value. If you would like to be very precise when designing a data model in Power BI, you can go also to a particular column like the city and set the data category to make it easier for the Bing Map service to geocode the data. So you can set city as a city in the data model, the country level as the country, and we have also the first administrative level, which is state, and you can set it to state or province. You will see a globe icon next to your field, and it will make Power BI work better with your maps.